Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here to share the final flip through of this Valentine's journal that we've been making together and let you know that it's going to be listed in my Etsy shop on Saturday, February 1st at 3:30 p.m. Mountain Time. And so I will put the link to my Etsy in the description box. It's CinnamonT, the letter T, on Etsy. So let's take a look. As you know, I used the beautiful kit from Amy at Crafty Cat USA to create this journal, as well as a few digitals of my own. But this is the old Love Notes digital from Amy, and it's gorgeous. So the cover is kind of the faux leather. I did it with this rose tissue paper, and then an image from the kit, this too, and then lots of fun applique, this vintage applique and vintage here, laces, little flower appliques. This beautiful applique came from SM Tiffany and Company on Etsy as well. So hitch post fastener, so we just kind of push down on the book and it just pops open like that. And let me make sure I get myself centered here and we'll just go through it. So these little Valentines, vintage Valentines, were from my own collection, my own digital on my Etsy. I made a little tablet out of some Project Life cards, and once again the postcard images. Ruffles, beautiful ruffles. I have a Rita Donnelly flip there, and then this from Crafty Cat's digital. This is one of my vintage postcards, and then from the digital again. And then here's the wonderful paper. I printed out the digital on coffee dyed paper, so I wanted it to look vintage and grungy. Little fabric flippy collage thingy there. A banner. I love this. It says Sweet Tooth. It's from a book on chocolate, which is appropriate for Valentine's Day. This came from the kit, and I just added a little trim to kind of make it go with the banner. A little music sheet. Oh, the other thing that I used in the making of this journal was a kit, pink Valentine journal kit from Wondubar Crafts, and this music was in there. Make room in your heart. So it's great. Yeah. So that too. Here's a little fabric flip. It's got some cameos at the top on the lace and just layered different fabrics. And I believe some of these were from the kit from Wondubar Crafts. Envelope here with one of my vintage Valentines, and just a little index card with lace on it there. Another ruffle, hand sewn ruffle. Here's one of the beautiful doilies from Wondubar. Just a little tuck with a journal card that I made. This paper here is from Vintage Studio 717, and then this is from the Crafty Cat kit. And I love this page. I think that might be my favorite. This is some of the beautiful Wondubar dyed paper, and I just folded it up to make kind of a pocket and tuck sort of thing. A handmade tag there that can be journaled on the back, and then a tag from the kit. Some more of the paper from Wondubar. And in the middle, I've put a heart with wings, and then just another heart on the ties. Pocket from the kit. This image is from Alzybel's bookshelf on Etsy. And then this wonderful pocket idea that came from a Happy Mail, and it's got a card that can be journaled on in the pocket. This is the other side of that avocado paper, and I just put this little bunny that I got in Happy Mail, and then a tag from the kit once again. This is my lace pocket, and I love this. I ended up just loving this, and I had the suggestion from a subby that what about doing a cover in that, and I think that's a great idea. I may be doing. This is just a little journal card with one of my vintage Valentines. Flip with a little cluster on it. Oh, got that nice and glued down, didn't I? Came off though. That's good. Mixed media tag that I'd made long ago and just kind of fancied it up with one of the images from the kit and some fabric and a word. This is a napkin journal card. Ruffles, the other side of the envelope with another vintage Valentine postcard, and then the index card with the lace. And then this laced up, appliqued up belly band holds yet another postcard. And with that, I put one of my stamps on, and then I did some stamping on it. So there's that. Here is the other side of the music. And that's just, I strengthened it with washi tape in the middle. This is a flip up, flip down spot for journaling. And then behind, we have a full sheet of the paper from the kit. Old love letters. Old love letters, not old love notes. Old love letters. You'll find it at Crafty Cat USA if you take a look. So that just slips behind and slips down in like so. Little pocket with, again, vintage Valentine from my kit. This is one of the pieces from Romantica Arts on Etsy. So use lots of different people's digitals in this book. And then we get to the back. There's the back of the vintage doily, and just tucked in the back I have the writing board. So this is a ledger folder, and I've just decorated it with, this is from Crafty Cat. This is one of mine. This is Romantica Arts, and then Crafty Cat on the back. And I've put matte medium on it to make it nice and smooth. And you could journal on the whole inside, or you could turn it into a big pocket if you wanted. But if you tuck that in, for instance, this is, the doily is bumpy, you tuck it in here, then you're able to write on the page without poking through with your pen or something. So there you have it. That is the Valentine journal. I had a ball making this. Thank you so much, Amy, for the inspiration that your kit provided. It was just a really fun journal to make. And as I said, it'll be on my Etsy on Saturday, February 1st at 3:30 p.m. Mountain Time at Cinnamon Toast. And so we'll just see you in the next video. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.